Okay, so David just found something nice, so he's giving it a tap. If we take it off, look at that. Oh, what a beauty. Really good. Right, I'm going to try and prep this fossil that David found near Boggle Hole yesterday, or the day before. So yeah, let's see how it turns out. Okay, so not bad. It was very pyritic, as you can see. You can see all the gold sticking out there. So, but no, turned out all right so far. So I've just got to grind around the edge, and I've got to grind this matrix away from the mouth border. I didn't want to do that with the pen because I didn't want to risk any of it snapping. So yeah, some grinding to do, and then see how it looks after that. here is the finished fossil. I think that turned out very nicely. It was a lovely fossil to start with, and yeah, giving it a flat protruding finish. I think that looks very nice.